In this video, we're going to factor expressions using greatest common factor and other technique. It says factor the following polynomial completely. Well, the first thing you should notice is that each piece of this polynomial is divisible by 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor a 4 out, and I get x squared minus 4x minus 5. And now I have a trinomial here that I can actually factor pretty easily. I'm going to write the negative 5 out to the left, or to the right, and then I'm going to write the factors down. So I could have negative 5 and 1, or I could have 5 and negative 1. And I need to figure out which one of these adds to negative 4. Well, this gives negative 4, this gives positive 4, so I want to use the factors negative 5 and 1. So I'm going to factor this down to x, two binomials with x as the starting point, and I have x minus 5 for the first factor and x plus 1 for the second factor. So this polynomial factors down to this. On the next problem, we're going to factor, you can notice that there's a 6 in common with each piece here, so we're going to factor a 6 out. So we get 6 x squared minus, when I divide this by 6, 72 divided by 6 is 12, so minus 12x. 216 divided by 6 is 36. Now I'm going to take this trinomial that's left, and I'm going to look at the ending term, which is 36, and I'm going to write out all its factors. So the factors of 36, I've got 4 and 9. Well, 4 and 9 adds to 13. I know 6 and 6 is the factor. That adds to 12. So I don't necessarily need to write out each factor because I found 12. But it can't be positive 6 and positive 6 because that's a positive 12. I need a negative 12 there. So it's going to be negative 6 and negative 6 to give me negative 12. So this factors then to 6. This will be x. When I factor the x squared, I have to have x in front because it's got to multiply to x squared. And I get minus 6 here, minus 6 here. X minus 6 times x minus 6, well, that's the same base, so I can write this as 6 x minus 6 squared. And that's how you can factor that polynomial.